How to buy NUSD token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on Mexc. They just release it on their website. You can buy it from there. So if you don't have an account on Mexc, go down in the description and you will be able to find a referral link. Go and create an account on it to benefit from rewards. And after you create an account on Mexc, what you need to do, just go and log into your account. Just go to the search bar and you can type the token name. In this case, it will be the NUSD. Now, from the top, you can select the spot and make sure to select the pair that have USDT. Now, just click on it. Now, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is the page that you can trade this token and you can buy it on your account. Now, you can now type the amount, or you can drag this to select the amount that you want to buy, as you can see. So after that, here you will be able to see how much you will pay on buy USDT that you have on your account. After that, you can click on buy NUSD and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy NUSD token. And if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.